YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the DiKaou LED Indoor-Outdoor Bluetooth speaker. It's really a lot of fun. First impressions, you can see that this is supposed to be a table side or little party LED Bluetooth speaker. It does hook up really easy and it has these really fun lights on the front. Really easy on the buttons. The pause and play button's also your power on. You just hold it down and it'll turn it on. Plus is the volume, minus is the volume, and this button right here is for the different sets of lights that they could have. It does do different types of patterns and colors. So let's hook it up to my phone and try it out. To pair it up, you're gonna turn it on by holding down the play button. And then you're gonna go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone or whatever you're using, and you're gonna say pair new device. And you're gonna look for A7, which is right there. You're gonna click it to pair it. And there you go, it paired right up. You heard a little chime and the lights flickered. All right, let's listen to some music on this thing. We'll start with a little of my old band, like I usually do on these testing of audio products. And we'll see how it does. That's 100% volume, just to double check. You see that the lights move with the music. We can also push this button and it will do different types of lights. Push it again for another set of light effects. Push it one more time, have another set of light effects. You keep pushing it through the many different effects. Down for a long time, you'll see that it turns off the lights, so you can also have them off. As far as the sound you just heard, it is in stereo. It has the speaker in the back more, and it charges with a micro USB, which is hard to see, but it's right here, it's port right here. They also have an SD card slot for micro SDs, so they can put that in there and just have it play through the card. And yeah, it has this nice little leatherette type strap to carry it with. It's very sturdy. Not going anywhere. It's a very nice and compact design that you can carry with you and take wherever you need to go. You hear that bass in there too. It has a really nice bass response to it for being such a small speaker. Let's get some techno going on here. I'm really impressed with the bass being such a small speaker. So yeah, definitely a nice Bluetooth speaker. If you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker, something that you can carry around to the beach, to the park, maybe going on a picnic, or maybe you want to use it in the classroom like I might do. Yeah, you can't really go wrong with this DiKaou LED speaker. I've been using this for a while now. I didn't just review it out of the box, and I've used it over the summer and it's done great. Something with lights, a little flashiness to it. This is your speaker. If you'd like to purchase the DiKaou LED Bluetooth speaker, please look for a link in the description below. We'll say to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.